How to get clients as a CPA. That's what you're wondering, and I know you're wondering that because you put it in the comments in another video. I've got the solution for you for how to get clients as a CPA, and I'm going to share it with you on today's show, so join me right here on the Inside BS Show. How to get clients as a CPA. That's what you've been wondering. So you're an accountant and you're wondering how to get clients. You're a CPA in the US and you're wondering how to get clients as a CPA. You're an accountant in another country. We've got the 6 steps for you, the 6 steps that will help you attract new clients. I'm going to share them with you today. I'm going to break each of those steps down, and then in the middle of our time together, I'm going to offer you a gift that you can use to create a marketing plan for your CPA practice. So if you're wondering how to get clients as a CPA, you're wondering how to get clients as an accountant, I've got a marketing plan for you free. I'm going to give it to you, tell you how to get it in the middle of our show. At the end of our show, I'm going to warn you about the one thing you should never do. You see, my uncle is an accountant. Well, he's a part-time accountant now. He's retirement age. And he made a huge mistake, and he shared that mistake with me, and he's given me permission to share it with you. So I'm going to share that story with you at the end of the show because it's the one thing you don't want to do if you're trying to get clients as a CPA. All right, let's get right into the content. The first thing you should do when you're wondering how to get clients as a CPA is go to your natural network. Now, you have a natural network database, believe it or not, in your phone or in your contacts in your computer. That's your database of people who are in your natural network. These people already know you, they already like you, and they already trust you. So they're willing to refer business to you. All you've got to do is let them know that you accept referrals. So the first thing you should do is communicate with your natural network database that you are a CPA, and then list out all the different things you do, whether it's business organization and restructuring, tax avoidance, tax planning, tax return preparation, advisory services, all the things that you do as a CPA, you should list out in an email to them, and then you should email them an educational tidbit every week. Even if they're not a business owner and they don't have a CPA do their taxes for them, the educational tidbit will keep you top of mind. So I want you to reach out to everyone in your natural network database, let them know who you are, let them know what you do, let them know how you do it, and let them know the reason why they should introduce you to other people. That will keep you top of mind with them. Then start emailing them every single week. If you do this, you'll be amazed at how quickly you get referrals. The second thing I want you to do, speaking engagements, whether they're in person or virtual, I want you to reach out to industry groups. So I want you to reach out to the local plumbers group. I want you to reach out to the local cosmetic surgeons group. I want you to reach out to bar associations. And I want you to volunteer to speak to them about structuring their businesses. I want you to volunteer to speak to them about how you can help them save money. Basically, this is an educational seminar you're putting on, helping them manage their businesses, helping them manage their professional practices. And in return for that, you're going to get their contact information, and then you're going to add those people to your database along with your natural network. And you're going to email those people and people in your natural network every week. The third thing I want you to do is I want you to write 1 article a week and offer it to trade journals for publication. Every industry has a trade association. Every trade association sends out a trade journal. That trade journal could be electronic, it could be a physical trade journal. I want you writing business management articles for these trade journals, and I want you to offer them to the trade journals for their use each week. They will welcome this content, and in that trade journal, you're going to put your contact info in the bio box so people will be able to reach out to you. They'll be able to contact you. The fourth thing I want you to do, you've got to start a podcast, and that podcast has to be a show that you put out at least once a week. So your weekly podcast is going to include interviews with your prospective clients. This is the key to a successful podcast. I'm not interested in how big your audience is. I'm not interested in you talking to hundreds or even thousands of people. I'm interested in you talking to one person on each show. When you do this podcast, I want you to talk to a prospective client each week. 52 times a year, you're going to be interviewing a prospective client. And when you do those interviews, you're going to be able to connect with these people, develop trust, and half of them will probably become your clients. This is a worthwhile, important, valuable strategy because it's you reaching out to a new client every week, and then hundreds and maybe even thousands of people will hear the podcast interview after that. The fifth thing I want you to do is I want you to start doing how-to videos. This video is a how-to video. It's how to get clients as a CPA. You can do the same thing for your practice. Shoot one of these videos a week, or better yet, shoot 35 of them in a day and have half a year banged out in no time. How-to videos are the fastest way to get people to know you, like you, and trust you because you can send them to everybody. I want you shooting dozens and dozens and dozens of how-to videos. It will help you attract more clients. It is one of the keys to how to get clients as a CPA. Now, I promised you a marketing plan that you can use to get clients as a CPA, and you'll find it right down in the description of this video. Scroll down to the description of the video, you'll see a link, and the link says free gift from Dave. It is a link that takes you to revenueroadmapguide.com. That's all together, revenueroadmapguide.com. When you go to that website, you'll enter your contact info and you'll instantly be able to download my guide to what I call the Revenue Roadmap. This is a marketing plan that will help you answer the question, how to get clients as a CPA. That's right, it's your marketing plan. Read through the guide, answer the questions in the guide, and you'll have a marketing plan ready to go. It's my gift to you for watching this video. It's my gift to you for being a great subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, the sixth thing I want you to do is I want you to do some focused advertising. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars. Spend a couple of $100 a month on Facebook ads targeting industry-specific people who own businesses, entrepreneurs or professionals, or people in the medical field like dentists and cosmetic surgeons. Those folks have enough money to work with you. They should work with you. You can target them with very easy to do Facebook ads. You can find people to help you. If you need someone to help you, reach out to me and I will connect you with somebody who can help you. Focused advertising is a great way to get clients as a CPA. The one thing you should never do, and this comes from a story that my uncle told me as a CPA. My uncle started his CPA practice and he moved from one state to another state. So he got licensed in the second state and he had no clients in that state and he wanted local businesses as his primary clients. So what did he do? He joined a lead service and he paid for leads. He spent his entire day on the phone sifting, sorting, and screening these people who could never afford him, who were never a good fit. So lead services are only an invitation for you to do more work, to really waste your time. So never ever pay for leads. That's the one thing you should never do. This has been How to Get Clients as a CPA. My name is Dave Lorenzo. I do videos like these every day. So I want you to come back here, join me tomorrow. If you like what you heard, give me the thumbs up, please. Hit the like button. Also, tell me down in the comments what you want me to make other videos about. I make videos based on your request, and How to Get Clients as a CPA came from a request from one of you who watches my videos all the time. You asked me to make this video, that's why I did it. Until tomorrow, my name is Dave Lorenzo. See you right back here. Please join me again. Have a great day.